The Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo brings powerful cooking performance into a compact countertop design that feels simple even for beginners. The link is in the description, so visit there for the latest price details and special offers available right now. This smart oven combines air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, slow cooking, and more into one easy appliance, helping users save kitchen space while preparing meals faster and more evenly. Many users enjoy how quickly it heats up, and how the powerful convection fan creates crispy textures without needing much oil. The 25-quart capacity is large enough for family meals, pizzas, toast, chicken, and snacks, while still fitting comfortably on most countertops. The touchscreen controls feel modern and simple to use, making temperature and cooking adjustments smooth even for first-time users. Another feature people really appreciate is the Chef IQ app connectivity, allowing cooking control and monitoring directly from a smartphone. This makes busy cooking routines more convenient, because you can track progress without constantly checking the oven. The multiple cooking presets also help beginners cook confidently with less guesswork. Whether you want crispy fries, evenly roasted vegetables, baked desserts, or perfectly cooked chicken, this oven handles many everyday meals efficiently. The included accessories and compatibility with the IQ Sense smart thermometer also improve cooking precision for better results. Overall, this appliance is a strong option for anyone wanting versatile cooking performance, smart features, and faster meal preparation in one compact machine. If you want to simplify cooking while getting crispy and delicious results at home, check the Amazon purchase link in the description and explore the latest deals today.